Welcome to Kitty Pathshala. Please subscribe the channel for bright ways of your future. Here we learn with fun. Hello friends. Welcome to Kitty Pathshala. In our surrounding, everything has its own color. So we will learn about some colors. It's white. W-H-I-T, white. It's blue. B-L-U-E, blue. It's red. R-E-D, red. It's yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. It's green. G-R-E-E-N, green. It's orange. O-R-A-N-G, orange. It's brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. It's black. B-L-A-C-K, black. It's pink. P-I-N-K, pink. It's purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. It's violet. V-O-I-L-E-T, violet. It's grey. G-R-A-Y, grey. Now we will learn the examples of these colors. The color of milk is white. The color of sky is blue. The color of apple is red. This is yellow t-shirt. The color of plants are green. This is an orange balloon. This is a brown chair. The color of hair is black. This is a pink toy. This is a purple flower. This is a violet cap. This is a grey coat. प्यारे दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बाय बाय।